How does the fiber technology that powers the internet actually work? Take the speed of light, the fastest thing in the universe, and slow it down just a bit. That's the speed at which data travels across the internet. But there's a catch. Light moves in a straight line, and our world definitely isn't straight. So how do we make it bend without losing speed? The answer is a phenomenon called total internal reflection. Here's how it works. When light travels from a denser medium to a less dense one and hits the boundary at a certain critical angle, it doesn't escape. It reflects entirely back inside. This is the exact principle behind fiber optics. A fiber optic cable is made of an ultra-thin thread of glass or plastic called the core, which has a high refractive index. Surrounding it is the cladding with a lower refractive index, and finally, a protective outer layer. When light enters the core, it strikes the boundary with the cladding at just the right angle and reflects back. Over and over again, it keeps bouncing down the fiber at near light speed, never escaping, even as it travels across kilometers. But how does light carry information? All digital data is binary, just zeros and ones. We use light pulses to represent them. The simplest method is on-off keying. Light on means 1. Light off means 0. At the transmitting end, lasers or LEDs convert electrical signals into these light pulses. They travel through the fiber, and on the receiving end, photodiodes turn the light back into electrical signals. And that's how you're seeing this video on your screen, all thanks to the power of light.